Hey everyone, welcome to your energy meditation and oracle card reading. This is Lauren with the Clarity Cure. Welcome back. So we're going to dive right in, guys. I have 3 tarot, 3 chakra wisdom. I pulled an extra card for you actually this week from my angel healing deck, and you received Heal Your Addictions. And your main oracle card is the heart chakra. So we know this is pretty powerful. If it's coming through the sacred geometry card, there is a major blockage here. The green is very healing, so we'll address this when we go through the healing meditation part. The green flower of life supports our capacity to love deeply and unconditionally. Its healing properties harmonize the body and the mind. Nice, beautiful. Healing away addictions. Let me read this to you. It's time to let go of behaviors that are blocking you from your heart's desire. Ask Archangel Raphael to help you with this healing. Now, you can call him in through prayer, meditation, before you go to bed. I see a lot of beautiful water energy here. If you could be by water, that would help as well to heal and cleanse your body. Some of you may not even be consciously aware that you have a blockage because of an addiction. And for each one of you, it's going to be different. We all have our vices, right? So only you can really address that. You do have discoveries, one of your chakra cards, first one out of the gate. This is your root chakra, so it's your very foundation. I just am noticing the heart chakra here is being addressed and opened, right? So very, very powerful combination. It's like this person is facing their angel. They're facing their truth. You see how he's kind of surrendering, and that's interesting because you have the Hanged Man, so we'll get there. This is really amazing energy. Discovery is, are you happy in your situation? You know, do you need to create change? Are you holding on to the past? Okay, so self-discovery, and you know, we just had that Pisces full moon. I'm just noticing the full moon here. There's still time today to address the full moon and create, release this addiction or whatever comes to you through this healing meditation, blah, blah, blah. You know what I'm saying? So just putting that out there as a little extra added info. Recovery is your second chakra wisdom card, and this is your crown chakra. So there is an opportunity here to recover your health and your well-being. It's almost as if this is like the same energy, the same angel that's coming in here offering you this opportunity, the key, right? The key to your situation, to fix it, to change it, to help you, right? And then your final chakra card was Quest. Quest is the throat chakra, blue. This is walking your talk, baby. You know, this is you standing in your own power. You know, I feel like whatever this addiction is, it's really like stopped you. Like you think you're moving forward, because this could even be like a journey or a quest that you're on, but you're not going to get to your destination if you don't address and face what needs to heal in your heart because of maybe some addiction. This is an internal journey you need to make. Okay, so really, really amazing. Ace of Swords in your past. So this is having an opportunity to create change in your life, move forward after a difficult time. Okay, so if you are struggling, this is a chance here for you now to like heal and open your heart to create the change. And your current position is the Hanged Man. Okay, so you're still a little upside down about where you are within your addiction or with whatever you feel like you need to find clarity about. This is surrender also, breaking old patterns and habits that are stopping you. This is creating a new vision, a new truth in your life. And your final outcome is the Lover's card. So for some of you, this could be about a lover. But the original meaning of the Lover's card is a choice or a decision. So it's going to come down to you making a decision. Okay, which direction you want to go in. What's your truth? Where am I going? What do I need to release from my past? Whether it's someone or an addiction, it's time, right? It's time for change. So you're going to be faced with this. And it is a major arcana as well. So, and 2, you got the Hanged Man and the Lovers. Even Ace of Swords is pretty powerful because it's this brand new beginning for you that's like being laid out for you if you choose to take on this mission, right? So let's get comfortable. Let's jump right into the healing meditation because I think we need to open our hearts, right? And we got the root chakra, crown chakra, wow, throat chakra. So we're going to do them all today. Let's just do it, okay? Always know that I'm sending you healing energy, even though I'm demonstrating to you what I'm doing. This is also a personal little mini healing for you as well, okay? Because I'm sending the energy through, energetically through the video to you, okay? Sometimes you can, I always suggest really practice so you can do this for yourself, be more self-reliant in your life. However, you can take this as a little mini healing as well and just close your eyes and listen and focus, okay, on bringing the energy in, okay? Let's do it. Let's get comfortable. Sit in a chair, feet on the ground, or you can sit lotus style, Indian style on the floor, whatever's most comfortable for you. Hands in prayer posture. I always say this is the best place to start. It's a great way to center your mind. Take a couple of breaths in, a couple of breaths out. I'll give you a moment to get comfortable here. Okay, and we're going to begin by bringing the energy, God energy, down from heaven through our crown chakra. So I want you to close your eyes and just relax. Keep your mind in your palms. Okay, if you have monkey mind, if something bubbles up, just acknowledge it and let it go. Don't hold on to any thoughts that come in. That's the key to a good meditation. We're all going to have stuff bubble up, but it's what you do with that thought, right? You're going to let it go. Imagine it's like in a balloon and you let it go. Okay, so energy coming down from heaven, God source energy, consciousness, down through our crown chakra. And we want to make sure we open this crown chakra because we do need to recover our health and make sure that we're opening it to receive. Okay, I'm going to bring this energy down through our third eye, which is our pineal gland, down to our throat chakra. We want to walk our talk, open up the throat chakra down to your heart. Bring the energy down now through your solar plexus, down through your sacral chakra, now down to your root chakra. I want you to imagine that from the root chakra, you're bringing the energy down through your legs and your feet, and you're growing roots that you're going to plant into Mother Earth to keep you grounded here, okay? Focused, grounded, clear, having clarity, okay? Being ready to receive. Okay, so for those of you that are new, I traditionally have you tap your fingertips. Once we're all grounded, ready to go, rub your hands, because we want to cultivate the chi. We want to bring this energy that's coming in and move it through our meridian system and cultivate our chi. Cultivate. Let's stimulate our energy bodies. Okay, so we can create healing, right, for change. Let me bring my foot down. Sorry, guys. Okay, and you can tap. You can shake your hands. Okay, we're bringing the energy down, focusing here on our hands. Excuse me. Now, from prayer posture, I want you to separate your hands, and I want you to notice if you feel anything tingly, magnetic kind of feeling. That's your energy body. Okay, that's the energy we're collecting. Okay, that's coming down from heaven. All right. Take your time. You don't have to go fast. I move a little fast sometimes because I connect very quickly. But even if you just stay here, that's okay. If you feel like it's a pull, that's your energy. That's what you want to feel. Okay, that tells you you're alive, baby. That you're not just a solid mass of, I don't know, meat. That you do have an energy body. That we are all made up of energy, right? Excuse me, I'm so sorry. I've had a tickle all day. My allergies are crazy. So, okay, guys, so we're going to cultivate our chi, all right? And I want you to focus. Imagine you are making an energy ball, right? Keep it close, okay? Now, we want to bring this energy up to our crown chakra. Remember, we want to recover our health, so we're going to open our crown chakra, bring the healing energy into our full body, Okay, because you can't cultivate chi. You cannot cultivate healing if your crown chakra is blocked. So it's very important that we get this open for you, so you can receive the energy from heaven to cultivate your healing. Okay? So you can hold your hands here for a few minutes. I want you to focus on sending energy to your brain, sending energy through your crown chakra into your brain, down into your body, opening up your crown to receive. Okay, now we're going to move down to our pineal gland so we can see with our third eye and know our truth. Most importantly, let's focus today on the throat chakra. I want you to imagine you're sending lots of blue energy. We're opening up this throat chakra so we stand in our power and we walk our talk, baby, right? We're going to move forward and remove any blockages from our past so we can now move forward, face what we need to change in our lives, right? Because it's all about change and having the courage to do it. Right, now we're going to move your hands in front of your chest. This is your heart chakra. I want you to imagine that green that you saw through the flower of life on the heart chakra card being placed into your heart. Okay, I want you to imagine, okay, that you're taking this flower of life and you're putting it in your chest, in your heart chakra. The flower of life is extremely powerful to create more healing. See, I feel that heat already. That's amazing. So you can do this yourself. Also know that I'm always sending you guys healing energy, okay? So I just want you to understand that, okay, that this is for you as well. You need to become self-reliant. However, I'm also sending you healing energy as well. Every time you watch this video, you're going to receive the benefits of healing. Okay, so now opening the heart chakra as wide as we can. Imagining we're healing our past, what doesn't serve us. We're ready to shift gears and raise our vibration. Now let's move down through your solar plexus, your sacral chakra, and I want you to stop at your root chakra, at the very base of your spine, and imagining you're opening your root chakra. You feel secure. You feel happy with who you are. You feel supported in life. You feel supported in your quest for change. Okay. Sending red, beautiful, healing energy to your heart, to your root chakra. Sorry, guys. Okay, now we want to bring our hands back up, back into prayer posture, bringing your energy into your palms, and we're going to do a little sweeping. So let's bring our hands down. Okay, we're going to rise up. Imagine we're collecting this energy we just cultivated, and we're bringing it down through our chakra system and sweeping away what doesn't serve us. Imagine anything stagnant, old, is leaving out the bottom of your feet. Okay, sweeping for a second time and then one more time, collecting the energy, releasing the old energy, coming through your chakra system, doing a little refresh or a little reboot here, guys, and then back into prayer posture and bow. All right, guys, I hope you really enjoyed that. That was really beautiful. I definitely felt my heart chakra open personally myself. Leave a comment below if you experienced anything. I would love the feedback, guys. That would mean the world to me. And I think that's it. You got a decision coming here, guys. It's your choice to move forward with this opportunity for change. Okay, because the ace is the beginning of change, but we have to take action to move forward. And it just seems like for some reason timing is really good right now. It could be the full moon in Pisces. Remember, we are coming to a final stellium at the end of 2020 with Capricorn, moving finally into Aquarius. So it's still going to be some bumps along the way here. If you're struggling, now's the time to create the change that you want in your life and get more connected to who you are on a soul level so you can, boom, put yourself out there in the world. God bless you guys. Mwah, mwah, mwah. We'll see you in the next one. Take care. Bye-bye.